excavator. First day with the excavator. I never used it before. It was a comedy just looking at me doing it. I think everything looks good. I need to be at 18 inches. I am more than 18 inches everywhere. It takes some time getting used to the excavator, doing it, but I'm thinking 320 feet worth of ditch is not a bad job for first day for somebody who has never done it before. So digging continues tomorrow. There were some places that had a bunch of rocks in them too, and the roots coming up on the roots right here. That's a lot of roots though. But then again, there was a big oak tree here, and it was somewhere around here. I don't know where it is, but this is amazing. Okay, first part done. Tomorrow I am going to bury it. I'm going to attempt to bury a cable and hang a meter over here, temporary meter. We'll see how that goes. That's a lot of work, but we'll get there. All right. So here we are. It's Saturday, May 28th, 2022. Another day here. After some delay in work and the bad weather, we are continuing. After the comedy yesterday trying to figure out how to work it, excavator turned out to be excellent, and I dug out around 300 feet worth of ditch to put in a cable. Now, task at hand this morning is to put up a temporary meter base with these 4x4 8 feet long pieces of pressure treated lumber. Got some superstrut over here. We got some conduit and the rest of the parts bought. So next task is figuring out where to put that meter base. Well, actually it's already pre-figured out, but I don't know. I'm gonna have some meaning to it. I'm gonna put it kind of in a line here with where their transformer is going to be, so they can come around and hook up their power to the meter. I think that will probably be the best thing. But right now I'll start digging on the posts over here with a post hole digger and concrete it all in. And once I get that done, I am going to start digging a channel, excavating towards that tree over there where the two 50 amp outlets are going to be. So wish me good luck. I'll keep recording as much as I can because I really need to get some things done. My time is ticking and I have to be here by the end of June. Started piling up tools over here because you can't get no parts, damn it. Can't order anything. Everything is like 15-week wait. So I started already ordering stuff, but I'm piling up my tools over here. I don't know. I hope nobody will steal and come over here and steal stuff. Well, we'll see. Post holes are dug up. There's water underneath there. Over here is dry, and it will go across, and then of course from this position down will be the wires going to where the well is, and the wires going right behind the excavator where the fifth wheel is going to be. Here they are. Posts are in the ground. Put concrete around them, fast setting. Just let it sit there. The ground is so wet. I think that will set real quick, probably by the end of the afternoon. I will be able to get them to get the rest of the stuff hooked up, maybe for the electrical, depending how long does it take me to get everything done. But anyways, this part is not that hard. The hard part will be digging in for the, I want to say, for the grounds. Man, this soil over here where I'm going to put the grounds, actually I have 2 grounds, they'll be about 10 feet apart. This soil here, man, it feels so hard, especially when I was digging this post right here. Over here is so much softer. Soil looks the same, but digging it with the post hole digger, it was different. All right, I'll keep recording. Man, I'm excited, and I'm more excited every day as I do this. Soon I'll be living over there somewhere. Here we are so far, coming good. There was a one place over there, was a big old root out there. I can't get it out with this machine at all, or maybe I'm not skillful enough. I'll go with I'm not skillful enough, but I did manage to dig around it and make a good enough channel to where everything will fit properly, I think. Well, here I am. I don't know. I think I got about maybe another 50 feet to my destination over there. It's going pretty good. I think this is why it's called a clay. Man, it even smells like clay, this part over here. Look how smooth the channel of this ditch is. Wow. And that goes down for about 30 feet, where you have these smooth walls, and it's totally different smell to it. Learning something new every day. Alright guys, we'll continue. So I got the ditch dug up where we're gonna bury the URD. Start, unroll it, take the plastic off, let it unroll from the bottom, of course. That shouldn't be mentioned twice, but yeah, roll it off the bottom and go over there. We got more than 18 inches of depth, and we will go to the other side. We are going to put conduit over here in the middle where the gravel is. I ran into the big rocks over there, so I don't want anything to be squished by a rock and then shorted out to ground and whatnot. So in that portion right there, actually I'm going to use 30 feet of PVC conduit and run it through. That way it will be protected. Here we are, started covering stuff up. I did put the electric line tape, and it's gonna be without maybe 6 to 9 inches, 10 inches maybe from the surface, to let everybody know if they ever dig in the future where it's going to be. In addition to that, I'm going to take a GPS coordinates as to what is where, and I'm especially going to take it over there where this low spot is. Tell it it's a little bit shallow. It's probably down at 12 inches. It's a big rock, and I put the cable into the conduit so it doesn't get damaged by the rocks or by anything else. Alright guys, I'll keep recording more. It's difficult doing this by myself. I'm here all day long doing this without anybody's help. I think I'm making a good progress. We'll see what I achieve by the end of the day. Here we are. I'm digging everything back in. You unroll your tape about as best as you can, and then you put some dirt in it, and then you push the tape back in like this right here, and then put the dirt back over it. It's going. I'm about halfway done to the temporary meter base. Well, temporary is 1 year and a half, I want to say, by the time I'm done with all the stuff. There we go. Putting the caution tape 6 to 12 inches probably from the surface, so nobody messes up my cable. There we go. I'm done burying this side of power wires. Next thing will be to hang the meter base, and we'll go from there. But I think this looks good. I want to say 99% of the soil went back where it came from, so shouldn't have any settling issues, I hope. There we go. One piece is completed. I did hang the meter base, temporary meter base, and tomorrow I'm going to continue laying down the cable that goes 300 feet that way. So we'll see how it goes, but I think it looks good. Passes my quality inspection. Hopefully it will pass the Hart County EMC inspection too. Alright, we'll go from here, guys. I'm dog tired. 13 hours. Here we are. First part of electrical project on the property is finished. Ran the power line all the way down there for the well, and the power line over there for the RV and electric car. Installed all of this. Got a couple of more things I have to do, but all in all, I'm satisfied. So finally got a hang of this thing. It's pretty cool. Could I have done a better job? Yes. I gotta trim these pieces tomorrow, which I'm going to do. I'll be here again tomorrow. I gotta finish up buttoning up electrical, put all the stuff up, and we'll go from there. All right. Where here we are. DMI INC Junior. All right, what we're doing over here, we're putting a 2 NEMA 1450 outdoor rated outlets for RV and charging the electric vehicle. This is where the parking is going to be, right underneath this water oak tree. So Once I'm done, I'll show it again, and then I'll button it up, and then we will go back there to the main meter and hook it up. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Oh.
Here are the power outlets for the RV, or a fifth wheel, 50 amp, and electric car charging, 50 amp breakers. And of course it goes underground over there down in the distance, about 120 feet away, to a temporary meter base. So finish this today, and I'll show you the other part that was finished. Alright, here is the power for the well that will be here, and then plus, since I'm going to be working here on the house, maybe 30 feet in front of us over here, these are temporary power outlets, so I can grab a power 20 amp on a GFI circuit, good to protect me and anybody else who's working. This is the execution, nothing special. I'm glad this part of the project is done, and then tomorrow I'm gonna start doing footings for the garage over here. Some serious help today. Newly born electrician. Cold Lord, how you doing?
Good.
How's it going, dear boy?
Good.
Are you doing a good job for Tata?
Yes.
Excellent. Alright, here we are at the main meter today. Right now, I'm gonna finish this up. Funny, these wires are not marked as you would think they would be. Let me see, is it going to it says phase C. So the three main wires, the neutral, L1 and L2, they're all black. However, they're all marked with phase C, phase B, and phase A. So I'm wrapping up white tape around the phase C, because phase C is what I'm using for neutral. And of course ground is different. It does have, it's thinner, it's number 4 aluminum, and it does have a green stripe through it. Alright guys, let's see how it goes. Insides, it is finished. It will get buttoned up. It was a quick job. Took about 3 times as long over there for the RV and a car charging station, but this was quick. I think it'll work just fine. Power pole on my side is up. Contractors will come in, dig in from there to the temporary meter base where I put it in. Power's going in right now. On the other side, it will be all ready for them. Power's coming in from the pole. Boys from the pike are digging a ditch as instructed. And according to the Hart County or Hart EMC, and I don't know what is the code for them specifically, they run their power wire down at 4 feet, and then that really looks like a 4 or 5 feet down into the ground. All right.
What's in your life? Find out more at CapitalOne.com/autonavigator.
Today's hits, yesterday's favorites, or the update from the 80s.
Position for the pad, concrete pad, which is on the truck over here, together with the transformer. Big old transformer just for one house, but okay, I like it. Let's go down there and see what they're doing. While I'm doing the power, putting a coaxial cable too for the cable TV, meaning internet. And I want to show you guys how this cable looks like. Hopefully it zooms in pretty good. I can't see. What kind of pride I have in my work. I like electrical too, but six guys to hook up one wire, but I won't complain. I have my power. The guys are almost done. Thank you, Chuck from Hart EMC. He did me a favor. It's alive, guys. From beginning of the work till the end, it took exactly 12 days. I'm gonna cut them off since I'm leaving for the day. Excellent.